Hyunjung, ever since the first day I met you, you were always the silliest, the smartest, and the most caring person. I knew you were special when on our third date, I drunkenly threw up in your hair. And instead of running, you stood by my side and nurtured me back. At that moment, I already knew that I had to make you my wife.
Whether it's for better or for the worse, as long as we're together, we'll make it through this.
Dear Justin, finally our day has come. I remember when we first met and I had a lot of doubts about you. But after our first date, I knew you were the one. I remember asking you to come back in 5 years when I had more time to date, but you stuck by and became my main support. You brought calmness in my life and became my anchor.
Justin's the kindest person I've ever met. I've never met someone who thinks of others as instinct more than him. And I knew she was the one for him when I realized that she had a heart as big as his.
As we got into college, she told me about this guy who she'd been seeing for some time, that asked her out at Guppy's where she worked, and that she'd like me to meet him. My face. Over the years, I saw how he loved and absolutely adored her. Justin showed Hyunjung love the way Hyunjung showed me, and I'm grateful my sister found the man perfect for her as she is perfect for him.
So much more to you than what meets the
Hyunjung, I see these vows not as promises, but as privileges. I get to laugh with you, cry with you, care for you, and build my life together with you. I respect you as a person, a partner, and an equal. You're my best friend, my true love, and a small part of me can't believe that you're actually going to spend the rest of your life with me. But I guess miracles do happen.
We both know how indecisive I can be. It takes me forever to figure out where to eat all the time. Better for us to just start. But if there is one decision in my life that I know is the right one, it is to spend the rest of my life with you.
I'll stay by your side. When storms are raging, I will hold you close tonight, and I won't let go until the morning. Oh, I'll stay by your
I promise to support you, to honor you, and to love you unconditionally, even when we may disagree on something. Like when you choose to play Call of Duty instead of helping me fold laundry.
Today, surrounded by the people who love us, I choose you, Hyunjung Lim, to be my wife. I am proud to be called your husband and to join my life with yours. I vow to support you, push you, inspire you, and above all, love you. For better or for worse, for richer or poorer, and in sickness and in health, for as long as I shall live.
I promise to make you laugh and to hold your hand through the good and the bad. I promise when we are old and gray, we will look back on our lives and have no regrets. I promise this now and for all the days of my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, I pronounce you for the very first time, Justin and Isabelle Hong. Let's all rise.
hold you close tonight, and I won't let go until the morning light. Oh, I'll stay by your side.
I mean, I've never seen Justin happier. I've never seen him more full of joy, more full of life. And I've known you longer than almost everyone here. I can't imagine two people more perfect together.